Hello guys, in this video, I will be showing you how to generate favicon and upload it on your WordPress website without plugin. Thank you for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful, then please like, share, and comment. Now let's get started. First of all, we are going to generate a favicon. So simply open google.com and search for favicon generator. Now open this link. Here, we can generate favicon and site icons for different devices like Android, Apple, and Microsoft Windows. If you want to only generate a favicon, then simply select this option. But I recommend you should select this one because the favicon icon support web browser view only, and your site doesn't have a site icon for Android, Apple, and Microsoft, and this makes your site very unprofessional. Now leave other options as default. Now click here and upload your website logo. Make sure your logo is square. Click on Create Favicon. Now our favicon and app icons are ready. Simply click on Download Generated Favicon. Now favicon's zip file downloaded to our device. Now, we need to log into our website cPanel. For that, simply head over to your website link and type cPanel and hit enter to redirect to the cPanel. Now log in to your WordPress website cPanel account. If your website doesn't have a cPanel account, then you must contact your hosting provider and tell them to add your favicon icons on your website, or you can watch this video to add favicon on your WordPress using the plugin. Now once you logged into your cPanel account, simply head over to the file manager and click on it. Now, if you are adding a favicon for your root domain, then select public_html folder. And if you are adding a favicon for subdomain, like we have web.webifan, then you have to select subdomain folder. Here, I will show you for root domain, so I select public_html folder. Now we have to upload the zip file, which we just downloaded. For that, simply click on Upload, and now select the favicon zip file. Now go back to the public_html folder. Now select the zip file, which we just uploaded, and click on the Extract tab, to extract the favicon's files on public_html folder. Make sure the location is public_html folder. Click on Extract Files. Now, we successfully added favicon and app icons to our WordPress website. Here you can see favicon.ico file, which is for favicon. You can see site icons for Apple devices. You can see site icons for Android devices. You can see site icons for Microsoft Windows. Now simply delete the favicon zip file from public_html folder. Now we need to add some tags into the header section of our WordPress website. For that, simply go back to the favicon generator website. Copy these tags and paste them into our website header section. For that, simply head over to your WordPress dashboard and find the theme option, where your theme allows you to add tags on the header. Every theme has a different theme layout, so check maybe it's on the Appearance tab or Settings tab. If your website theme doesn't allow you to add tags on the header, then you can add a plugin where you can simply add tags on the header section. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you think this video is helpful, then please like and share this video. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment below. If you don't subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel.